everyone, I'm Audrey and this is Azad. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm really glad you're all here. So in today's video, we are going to do a baked squash, acorn squash, stuffed squash. It is basically an acorn squash stuffed with a sausage type mixture. So we're gonna give this a try. I've been wanting to try this for a while and it's a great sort of winter-y type meal. It does take a little bit of time just because it takes a bit of time to roast the squash, but honestly it's downtime, it's not time that's active cooking, so not too bad. But it does take, I want to say start to finish, this recipe probably takes about 45 minutes to an hour. That includes all of the baking time, so a lot of that time, about 40 minutes of it, you're not engaged in cooking. So I hope that you'll give this one a try. We'll see how it turns out. Without much more chatter, let's get cooking. Okay everybody, welcome back. We are taste testing the stuffed squash recipe that I tried today, so I'll show you kind of what it looks like that. Let's try it. It's good. I like it. I think it would be even better with a little less turmeric, so I'll adjust that in the recipe, and a little less nutritional yeast. I will adjust that in the recipe. The other option that I think would make this really, really yummy, which I debated on trying, was the AIP cheese. So instead of the nutritional yeast, shredding up some of the AIP cheese that I have on this channel, mixing it through and then melting it on top, I think that would make it like super, super good. So this is good. I will definitely make this again at home, but I will make those adjustments and I'll put them in the recipe below for you. And I'll reflect it in the video as well. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this as much as we do, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.